is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Morning guys, so it is Friday the 11th, I believe. Yep, Friday the 11th. It's 9:52 right now. I'm about to start my Tai Chi with my pain clinic. We do a thing over Microsoft Teams where physio leads a class and then a bunch of us on camera can then follow. I've been doing it since I can't actually remember, it's been a while. We had virtual pain clinic because everything had to get cancelled obviously, but they very kindly gave me some extra weeks to continue because it's been really helping. And usually you do it for about 6 weeks. I think I'm on week 8 or something now, so I've got a few more to go. I have a hell of a headache, just not feeling great, but I'm hoping the Tai Chi is going to help make me feel better. I still have more of my TMA to go, but I am close to finishing now. I'd hoped to have it finished today and sent off, but the way my head's feeling, possibly not. It might take another day or two. What? I have a bunch of clothes to show you. I had Happy Mail arrive yesterday, but I was working on my TMA, so I didn't get a chance to film yesterday. So I'm going to make time to film today. Jan Carruthers has been moving, as some of you know, and downsizing some stuff, and she sent me a pile of clothes that she no longer, and bags and hats and things, and it's so pretty. I have to admit that I squealed like an excited little child on Christmas, and I got a little teary-eyed that she'd sent me so many beautiful things because they're just so pretty. So I'm going to show you all that later, but I better go now because I got to start Tai Chi and my arm really hurts, so I can't hold this camera up any longer. So I will see you all later. You take care. Bye. Hi y'all. Can you see me? Look at this. How freaking cool is this? I'm showing you stuff that Jan sent me. I'm doing it from a distance because that way hopefully you can see it better. But look at this headband. How awesome is this? And it's so warm and cozy. I don't think I'm ever going to take it off. And then look at this top. Isn't it pretty? You have to excuse the garish top underneath, but it's cold, and so I wear 2 layers. But isn't it pretty? I love it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the biggest item first, hence standing all the way back here. This is a patchwork quilt. I'm too short to show you it all, but can you see it? Hopefully you get the idea. That's heavy. This is going to live on my daybed because it's so freaking pretty. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? So that's going to go on my daybed. Now, if I try not to fall over, I'm going to put that there. Maliki is going to pass me the rest of the stuff that's on my bed because it's too far away. So I put them on, but I'm not taking this one off. But look at these. These are 2 headbands. Aren't they pretty? Elasticated at the back, so you know they're like scarf headbands. They'd sit on like that, but I'm not taking this one off. But they're so freaking pretty, aren't they? Look at that. How stunning are they? Can't wait to wear them in the summer. I think I'll live in these in the summer. So that's my 2 headbands. Mally, next thing.
Okay.
And you've got this gorgeous green coat. I haven't actually tried any of this on yet, so... Hey yay, this goes over my belly. Most of my coats don't. Might be like, it's a little long in arms, but everything I wear is long in arms because I have very short arms. But isn't it nice? Oh, ow. I've done my shoulder in, so doing this hurts. I'm going to put it all down beside me. I'm going to have to pick it all back up again after. This is another coat. Again, arms are an issue, but that's because everything's an issue when it comes to arms for me. But isn't it pretty? Ow. This is a pretty scarf. Look at this. Ooh. Just look at it and then drops it. If I got it out of the right way, I can't tell. It might be upside down, I can't see. I have no idea. Should it go that way up? Possibly. Maybe the other way up. I don't know. But isn't it pretty? It's so bright, so lovely. Then we have this lovely top. I actually used to own a top identical to this in a smaller size, but I grew out of it many years ago, so it's actually really nice to have another top like it back again. So can't wait to wear that. Look at this one. Isn't the colour pretty? These are going to be great for the summer, or like what I'm doing now, double layering. I'll be double layering a lot. I always double layer in the winter. This one is a thing. I might be able to try this one on over the top. Let me see. Oh. Isn't it pretty? I love the colour of this. It's so me. So if I get cold, I can put this on top too. But right now, the second layer is doing its job. That and the fact that Duncan has the heating on, and up here in the bedroom when the heating's on, it can get quite hot. And I'm up here because Duncan is obviously working downstairs, so I'm not disturbing him by being up here. Look at this one, if I can get it to sit right. See, I love long tops because I wear a lot of leggings. I don't know if you can tell, but I have leggings on because I live in leggings. And so these tops are going to be absolutely perfect because, as you've probably noticed, I wear the same tops over and over again because I only have 2 or 3 tops that actually fit me. So now I have a lot more. I mean, look how pretty this is. Isn't it pretty? It's just so, so pretty. Look at that. I'm going to be in so many different clothes now. It's going to be awesome. There might be the odd thing I need to adjust the size because I'm a short ass. But, I mean, look at that. What is not to love? It's so, so pretty. And I think it's going to look lovely on me. I love flowy tops. And the colours are so stunning. Look, this one has fringe. I love fringe. I actually made myself a fringe flapper dress for my 30th when I had the Goodbye to the 20s party. So this is so pretty. And I do like green. Green's my lucky colour. Okay, this is the one thing that I will definitely be giving away, probably to my niece if she likes it, because I've not been this size in a long time. This is a beautiful black dress, but it's a size 8. I don't think even my thigh would go through it. So this will go to my niece. But isn't it pretty? This is the sort of thing I would have worn back when I was a lovely size 8. In fact, I think I may have had one just like it. Look at this one. Perfect. Get it the right way round. It's so pretty. Green and pink, what's not to like? Now my son saw this one yesterday, my middle son, and he's like, that's not very nice. And then his girlfriend's like, yeah it is, it's gorgeous. Because it is. So she has good taste, he sucks. Look at this one. I think my twin sister might try to nick this off me, but she's not having it, it's mine. But isn't that pretty? Look, flowy sleeves. It's gorgeous. I have so many tops I can wear now, I'm so excited. And I think this is the last top. I actually had a pair of trousers made of this exact fabric and this exact colour when I was younger. My mum hated it, and when I was at school she binned them. I loved them, they're so pretty. Okay, so that's the tops, onto the bags. Look at this. How cool is this? So, you got your main sections, and you got your little sections in here. My phone won't fit in either of them, but I know I can fit stuff. I might actually fit my asthma pump in, it might be the right size. Isn't it cool? And look at this one. How stunning is this? So pretty. And then this one, also super pretty. Look at that. These are so me. And then I haven't tried this around my waist yet. We won't, because you can't really see my waist anyway. But look at that bow. Now my middle son did put this on last night and he's like, ooh, do I look good? Because that's what he likes to do to my stuff. But isn't that gorgeous? And I actually used to have something like this as well when I was younger, so I'm glad to have something like this back again. It's so pretty. And then I've got this lovely black bag, which has lots of sections in. This is perfect for me because anyone who knows me knows I carry a lot of stuff and I need a lot of sections. So this is great. Ooh. Try not to fall over. And then we have 2 hats. These are so cool. Look. Don't know if we get it on with my headband on. Wow. Emmy. Yeah. Can you see me? I've lost my glasses too. Ugh. This is going well, isn't it? I have a headache, so I'm a little cuckoo, okay? So I'm just trying to stay awake. So, how cool is this? And I have anything. How awesome are they? What do you think? Does it suit? I love them. I'm going to wear them so much. And the fact that I get to pick which colour goes with my outfit is even better. Let's attempt to get me back up here. Where am I? That way. That way. And then, it's a good job my glasses are on a chain really, I'd lose them so much otherwise. There we go. Am I semi-normal again? Was I ever normal? Mally is shaking his head, saying no, I was never normal. It's probably about right. So I got this little Inspiration Colour Palettes book, which is so cool. So you can see it all come up with colours for your yarn that go well. But I got an even better one. Here, this one. 2,000 colour combinations. This is so freaking cool. If I can flick through it. Look at all the colour options. This is going to help me so much, not just with making things with yarn, but with my artwork as well. Picking colours that work so well together. So this is one of the most useful books I've ever seen in my life. This is just freaking awesome. And it even has the KMYK, which is cyan, magenta, yellow and cyan. And it also has the RGB, red, green, blue colour codes. So when I'm doing my digital art, I can put the codes in and get the exact colour I want. Which is amazing. So I need to pack all that away in a minute. But now we're all done. If I come close, I've got to bend down because a bit further away, I can stand up straight. I am a little cuckoo today because I have my TMA to do, and this is not straight, is it? Oh well, never mind. I have my TMA to do, I still haven't finished it, and I have a stinking headache, and I'm trying to cheer myself up to get going, and this really helped cheer me up because this is just freaking amazing. I am like a little excited kid because there's so many pretty things, so you'll probably see me in a new one of them each day I do a video because I'm going to be wearing these forever. I love this, this is so cool. I used to have one of those beaded hat things I used to wear that had fringe beading all the way around. Drove everyone insane. I loved it. So I'm going to go because I'm possibly going to collapse down in a minute. But I will see you all later. I will check in, let you know if I've managed to do my TMA and if I'm still alive or if I'm in bed dead. I'll see you all later. You take care. Bye. Hiyo, that way innit. I still haven't worked out which way this camera goes. I'm useless. Tree behind me. I'm just going out for our evening walk. My head is still killing me. I'm hoping maybe getting outside, getting a bit of fresh air might make me feel a bit better. I don't know. My little danglies kept banging on my glasses, so I've managed to hook them up slightly up here. And hopefully now they won't dangle so much. They were more centered. There we go. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, so I'm just going to go for a walk and see how I feel. But I'm going to end the vlog here, so when I get back I will edit this and start the upload. If it's anything like the last few times, it's going to take about 3 hours to upload. So you probably won't see this until tomorrow. But never mind. I will see you all later. You all take care, and I hope you're having a lovely week. Bye bye.